Hi, welcome to Next Day Solar. We are now in southwest of London in the borough of Waverley. So today we're going to be installing a Tesla Powerwall. Also we're going to be installing 4 JA Solar's 550 watt panels hooked up to a Solis inverter. So let's go inside and have fun. So first thing to do is actually follow the instruction of the manufacturer of the mounting kit, and in this case is Van der Valk system. So we have this type of rails, and what we need to do now is get all of them on the roof. So here what we're doing is, this panel is quite large, easy for us to get it all the way up, and now we pass it through. So we have 4 panels to get up, and they're 550 watts per panel. So as you can see, quite a large panel. So we've now fitted the heavy Tesla Powerwall on the wall, and this is the gateway. You could say that this is the brain of the system. And here we have our PV inverter. So this system is different from all the other systems because we're doing here a AC coupled battery, and which means that we cannot have hybrid inverter obviously in this project. So we need to use a PV inverter that will generate the solar panel energy and push it to the mains. And once that is done, and you have here the AC battery, and what happens is that it takes the excess of PV to charge the battery. So the PV is not directly connected to the battery, it's connected through the AC, the main AC of the property. So as you can see, the benefit of having this Tesla Powerwall is, first of all, it's Tesla, and it's a brand that is well known, and second of all, it looks really good. And if you have a Tesla or you have a Tesla car charger or any other devices from Tesla, it's quite clever in understanding, and you can have one ecosystem where everything works. And the Tesla Powerwall, as you can see, is quite large. It takes a bit of a space, so you need to have that type of space in your home. It has multiple functionality, which we'll go in detail in the future about that. And for example, weather prediction and understanding of your consumption, and obviously monitoring is far much easier with this product. Reached the end of this project. We've installed the Powerwall in the garage, we've installed the panel here on the roof. So as you can see, these are the big panels, and they're getting plenty of sun right now, even though it's the end of the day. So if you're interested in having a Powerwall installed at your property, or any other hybrid inverter, or maybe interested in having an off-grid system, please contact us at hello@nextdaysolar.co.uk and fill in the form, and we'll be in touch right away with you. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one.